Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Woo! So wow, it's too early to be talking clearly. This week's video is something a little bit different than usual. I'm going to Florida this weekend, going Miami. So we've got a lot to do. Today is Monday I think it's Monday the 21st, and I got back from New York last night. I took more than enough melatonin, however I woke up at 5 AM today. I had like a really weird urge to just colour when I woke up instead of going back to sleep. So I did that. I did a time lapse because that makes me be productive when I'm doing things. The plan for today is, first of all, sort my life out. Let me show you the current look. We're not looking sexy right now, are we? I'm gonna get a shower. I'm gonna edit my video. I'm gonna plan Florida. We'll see where the day takes us. I had oatmeal, which I literally have every single day. It did explode on me in the microwave, but we overcame, we conquered, and we achieved, and it was delicious. I've just been watching some YouTubes, and now I think I'm gonna edit more of my New York video. It appears I forgot to film, however, I've been sunbathing outside for about half an hour. I tried to have a nap, but that's not working. My body just doesn't let me nap in the day. I don't know what. Does anyone else have that problem? I've just never been able to nap. I've edited part of my video. I've done all the like important planning of Florida. You know, like getting to the airport, checking in, all that stuff you have to do when you're a solo traveller. I'm also going to do some stretching in a little bit because I get this thing. But basically, my like calf muscle, it'll just, and it's excruciating. It's literally the worst pain I've ever felt. If anyone else has it, please tell me so we can suffer together, because it's the worst pain I have ever experienced. Also, do you like these are my favourite shoes. My sister got them for me. What a legend. It's actually well sad, because when I used to dance, I used to be able to like do this straddle, stretch, and hold on to my toes and get my head on the floor. I don't want to say it now. That's the furthest I can go now. So it's sad, but I can still dance. Hit it! These look like genie pants right now. Yeah! I'm in the shuffle dance is really popular and everyone would be like, oh, yeah! I thought I was incredible when I did that. Now on my way in my best attire to pick up the boys from school. It's just after 5. The weather is just glorious. It honestly makes me so happy that we can finally do things like walking to school. Look, it's the yellow school bus. Sorry, I still get really excited by them. Like, you just see more people on walks, new chickens, new lambs, new people walking out. I love it. Love it. Good morning, you cool cats and kittens. It's currently 8:45-ish, I think. And I just washed my hair. It's not just greasy, don't worry. Please ignore my nails in this video. I need to paint them. But I don't want to paint them on top of these ones. I just need to get nail polish remover, basically. I thought I'd show you my method of drying my hair, because I saw this on a YouTuber I watched this video, and it's so effective. And it's like half dry already. I'm also quite proud of my scrapbook. Do you want to see what I did today? I'll show you what I did today. 1 second. It's also getting damn thick. We did this. And then we have, this is going to say Valladolid, and obviously this is my Chichen Itza entrance ticket. This next page is going to be like the goodbyes, and then America will begin.
The baking show! It's me, Rory, and with my chef, Naomi, my sister.
Hey guys!
We're making cups with Nutella in them. Isn't that so cool? This is stylish.
Going back to the 1800s and using a paper recipe. We need half a cup, which is
Okay. I do not want to touch butter because I want my hands to be the silliest hands in the world and not the stickiest hands. Looks like snow.
It does.
Oh! It looks like brown boo-boos. No laughing, okay?
Put it to the number 2. I'm joking.
That scared me. Hi.
This is chapter
3.
Right,
Nice.
you want to crack that?
We are cracking 2 eggs. Ta-da! They didn't quite see. We didn't quite see. Hey.
Great filming, Mum. Okay, and the next thing we want to do is turn this on. This has butter, eggs, vanilla, and sugar.
Yep, that's what we're gonna mix
There
in this
it is.
mixing bowl.
Mm-hmm.
It's mixing. Isn't that so cool? It's chapter 5.
So we need 5 of these, please. There we go.
Oh, they can only see the noodles. We are gonna show you the cookie dough cups. Ta-da! We're still working on the, I don't know if you can see them that good. Sorry, that was just pretend.
In case they thought there was an actual earthquake here.
Yeah, no way there's earthquakes. That's when only mountains are forming. This is chapter 7. Look what we did with the cups. So we're gonna put them in the oven.
Close the oven. Do well for us. You can do it. There we go.
Okay.
Push it down. Good morning, besties. I'm so tired. Well, we have had such a riveting day today, as you can probably tell by the footage. We had a very exciting appointment this morning, which you'll all find out in the next couple of months. And then I've just been finished editing my New York video. And now I'm on my way to pick up G-Boy from school because we have a project to do. I honestly you know when you get excited and you get like a buzz inside of you when one of the boys has like a project to do at school. I love it. But we're about to do carpool, which honestly, America has carpool down to a T. The system is so much better than don't know what that was. Pick-up in England for primary schools is chaotic. Chaotic. You literally drive up and your kids, no, not your kid, because I'm not a mum. Although this man in DC last week thought I was the boy's mum. And your kids just waiting at the cone for you. George wanted me to tell you that. Come on, heading into the house. We're heading into the house.
Hello, and I just stole my sister's phone. So I'm actually an Arsenal fan, but don't tell anybody this. Don't tell my sister, even though she's gonna edit this in.
So as you can see, it's now dark outside, and we're putting the final piece of G-Dog's project together. And why you got an Arsenal?
Anyway, you're totally gonna pick Liverpool.
We don't allow Arsenal.
So you gotta do a different thing.
On this channel.
I'm neutral.
We just want everybody to be happy, don't you?
Yeah. Show them. By high school, Jackie was playing sports year-round. He could do it all. Jackie, the Dodgers won 6 National League pennants.
Woo!
Since Jorgensen, I'm about to go to bed.
Good morning, everyone. You know what that reminds me of? You know when people in primary school used to go like... I've got really good rhythm if you can tell. Today's mission is to pack for Florida. So, step 1, packing for Florida, is to see what I still have from Mexico. This is really looking positive. Let me get my other suitcase. Always remember to wear tight fit. We need to think strategically about this. It's really good to do headstands in the morning because it gets all the blood to your head and then your blood circulation starts. I don't know if this is just made up. So we have our trusty Leslie coming with us to Florida. I was not paying $50 each way for a ironing, especially because it's like summer clothes. It's more than enough. I've got these. I don't understand, right? How you transfer? Do I just have to spray? Is it even coming on? I think it's coming out. Look at that. They call me Innovation Beach Cover Up. My like slong, what's it called? Sarong. And 3 different bikinis in it. Do I take the purple or the pink? I think I'm feeling pink, you know. Let's do a pink moment. You think all the boys will look at me when I've just been watching the YouTubes for a while. I've got the fire on. God, that hurt. I'm still in my pajamas. It's like 1. Just wanted to include this, you know, because I just wanted to show you that not every day is a productive day in the life of a British au pair in America. I do have days where I just stay in my pajamas all day until I pick one of the boys up. And that's okay. You don't need to be productive every day of your life. I had one mission today and that was to pack. In comparison to other people's missions, it's a small mission, but I completed it. And you should be proud of anything you complete, whether it's small, whether it's drinking more water, which by the way, if anyone needs a tip to drink more water, get a bottle with a place for a straw, or get like a bottle with a straw, because it helps so much. Like I'll just be watching YouTube and like drinking and not even realising. Anyway, that's beside the point. We're going off on a bit of a tangent. I'm just going to watch YouTube. If this is the end of today, I'll see you tomorrow. Fancy seeing you here. So I felt this could be my new, oh gosh, I have a hunchback way of filming. I hope you're all right with that. It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Where's that from? Is that Nicole 337? What a legend she was. She's still around? Don't actually even remember. Was that just my family that were like obsessed with her at one point? Tomorrow is thy day that we trek to the sunny state of Florida. Stop, drop, roll your hips. I just want to see if you can handle it. It's me front, back, side, side. Take it down, low, bring it back up high. Meanwhile, wow, work it out. Take that thing from north to south. Meanwhile.